Hey guys, so basically I've bought some carbon fibre mirror caps for my X5 G05. So basically I'm just going to show you how it's quite simple to put them on. So basically you need a plastic tool like this, and basically you have to so push your mirror towards the top left corner, and on the other side it's basically you push it right on to the left corner. On the other side it's basically that you push it on the right side. So, and then you stick this tool underneath. Make sure you have a cloth here or something, and then basically you can just pop it out. And once you pop it out, there is going to be two clips which I'm going to show you, and then those two clips will take this off, and then you can put your new carbon fiber mirrors on. So, and then basically there's going to be two clips. So there's one there and there's one there. So basically you stick your screwdriver in there and you push it towards the outer side, and then once you push it, you pull this out. So basically you will be able to feel it when it's coming out, because it will just pop out. So you release that clip and that clip. So yeah, now that I've done that, I've popped those two clips. It has now come off. And now I've got my carbon fiber ones, which basically, so you basically align it and then put the clips through. You'll be able to feel the clips. Make sure you put the lower clips, the ones at the bottom first, and to keep this a bit up. So basically you'll be able to feel it. So once you put the lower ones, just lift this part up, because some of the carbon fiber ones are really different. Make sure it doesn't scratch this bit of your mirror. So yeah, so that's all done. So you can feel it. But like I said, so basically make sure you put in the lower clips first, so ones at the bottom, and then the top two ones, which one goes in there and one goes in there. They will just sort of pop on once you push it in. So yeah, it's that simple. And this is really easy. Basically there's like a few clips on there. All you do is just push it on from the outer bit, and you will be able to feel it sort of sit on, so you can feel it. Yep. So basically, yeah, make sure, so because it's a circle, make sure that you've put in all the clips. So all the clips must sort of, they should all click on. Yeah, I think those clips are fine. And then just put your mirror back, and you can see it's well aligned. So that's all done. Let's just double check this one as well. Basically, I've done this one as well. Not sure if I put all the clips in. Yeah, this one looks all fine as well. So yeah, you've got your carbon fiber mirrors on your G05. Wow.